Here we go. We did these in class, right? Make sure you know this. This one will be exact, just different numbers and everything. A little bit worded a little bit differently, but it'll be like this. These one will be on there too, definitely that. Okay. We did that one. Okay. That one is that one where the slope is 3, the y-intercept is 1. If they wanted an ordered pair or coordinate, or in coordinates, it's 0, 1. Okay, make sure you understand that. They ask for ordered pair. So that's 4x plus 4 equals to 2y minus 4. Okay, so I'm going to focus on this y here. I'm going to get rid of this 4. That makes that 8. 4x plus 8 equals to 2y, and then you divide all of it by 2. All right, and then we have y equals to 2x plus 4. So the slope is 2. The y-intercept is at 4, or as an ordered pair or coordinates, is at 0, 4. Okay, same thing, order or coordinates. Add 2x, add 2x. All same meaning. Y equals 10 plus 2x. We got y by itself. You go, hey, that's easy, yay, yay, yay. And then your slope is 2. The y-intercept is 10. Or in ordered pair, 0, 10, right? Okay, next page, number 4. This will be on there. Determine the rate of change. All these will be shown in the graph. Explain what it means. Okay, rate of change. Let me see. Oh, I'll pick 0 for sure. 0, 0, right? This is an easy graph because it has 0, 0. Then I'll pick 1. Oh, no, not 1. 1 doesn't work. 2. Oh, yeah, 2 will work. 2, 6. So it's 3, but no, that's not 6. It's 5. 2, 5. Oh, it's up 5 over 2. That's the slope. But in there it'll say show work, so make sure you show the work. I don't know what I put on there. So x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So the slope formula is right here. Make sure you memorize it. If you don't write the slope formula down, you get it wrong, I'm taking off like 6 points out of 8. Because I don't know your steps where your mistake is. If you get a 2, that means you're lost, or I'm lost at grading your work. Slope formula is y sub 2, 5 minus 0, 2 minus 0, it's 5 over 2. And the 5 and 0, 5 is cups, okay? 5 cups. And 2 is loaves, number of loaves of bread, I'm sure. 2 loaves. So basically, for every 5 cups of whatever, flour here. Flour, there you go. For 5 cups of flour, 5 cups of flour, makes 2 loaves. See, for all those people, all of you guys that I return and say you didn't write the meaning, here's why it's important. Oh, write equation in slope-intercept form. Oh, we got the intercept of 0 here. Right here. That's the intercept right there. And the slope is 5 over 2. So y equals 5 over 2x plus 0, or just y equals 5 over 2x, right? You don't have to write that 0. Okay, number 5 here, we started in class. You find the slope of AB and the slope of CD, and C right here is x sub 1. Oh, let me do it in red. So y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. 6 minus negative 1. We'll have this on your test, so make sure you make that a plus. 5 minus 3. So it's 7 over 2, right? Let me double check. Okay. Yep. 5, yep. So your slope is, point slope, your slope is, okay, they only wanted, okay. They want you to do this work only. Because in slope-intercept form, y equals to mx plus b. Let's solve that, right? Y minus 1 equals to 3x minus 3. Add 1, add 1. Y equals to 3x minus 2. So that's in slope-intercept form. That's in point slope. That's point slope formula, by the way. Okay. Number 6, determine the slope and y-intercept. We solved that, right? 4x minus 4, y plus 2, subtract 2, get y equals to 4x minus 6. The slope is 2, the y-intercept, we didn't put it, y-intercept is negative 6, or if it says in ordered pair, it's 0, negative 6, okay? Here you minus this one, x. Oh, that gets us 0. 6y equals to 12. 0 plus 12 is 12 divided by 6. Oh, y is 2. So if you want to see what slope is, okay, if you have that need, this is 0. 0 times x, you can put it that way, which leaves nothing, 0, right? Add 12. So you can just leave, if you don't know what slope is, you can leave it like that. Slope is 0, y-intercept is 12. So your slope is 0, the y-intercept is 12. I hope you, divide by 3. X equals to 5. The slope is undefined, and there's no y-intercept. It's never going to cross the y-axis. Okay, and then here for D, make sure you, I didn't teach this the 4th period, but make sure you multiply everything by 2 and to get rid of it, and then you minus an x, divide 4y equals to 8 minus x, divide by 4, and then y equals to 2, 1/4 x. Okay, subtract that, right? So your slope is negative 1/4. Your y-intercept is at 2 or 0, 2. Okay, and then here's easy. Slope is 1/8. The y-intercept is negative 3. Minus 4x to both sides. Leaves the negative 28. Y equals to 56 minus 4x. Divide by negative 28. Y equals to 2, negative 2, positive 1/7. Yes, x. So your slope is 1/7. Your y-intercept is negative 2. Whew. All right, number 7. Find the y-intercept, the coordinates, or the ordered pair. Same thing as ordered pair, okay? We got 2 points right here. The 6 always come first, the dollar. So in order to find the y-intercept, we got those 2 coordinates, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, right? And then you saw find point slope, y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. We need to find m here. Okay, so, and slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So 15.5 minus 12. over 9 minus 6.5. So that is 5.5 over 2.5. Divide that, so make sure you use a calculator. Let me see if my calculator has, nope, this calculator doesn't have a decimal, so I'm going to use a Google calculator. And calculator. So 5.5 divided by 2.5. So the slope is 2.2. Okay? The slope of 2.2. You use that in here. So y minus y sub 1, which is 12, equals m 2.2, parentheses x minus x sub 1, which is 6. Okay, so you have 12, y minus 12 equals 2.2 times x minus, okay, well I need a calculator again. Should have left it, minimize it, right? Calculator. 6.5 times 2.2. 14.3. Oh no. No parentheses here, just net. 14, oops, 0.3. I need to minimize this so you can see what I'm doing. And then you add 12 to both sides. Right? So you have y equals 2.2x minus 2.3. Okay, and they ask for slope and, right. Okay, so the y-intercept is, doesn't make sense. The y-intercept should be positive here. I may give you the wrong numbers, or I may have subtract wrong, or it don't look like it, but y-intercept should not have been positive. Okay, this is 0. The y-intercept is 0, negative 2.3. What does it mean in context? 0 is your x, and x is the number of miles, and y is how much Gus paid this much for that many miles. Okay, and this is how much Gus paid. That means he got back $2.30. That doesn't make sense. For 0 miles, Gus will, if he doesn't drive, he's given $2.30. That's what it means. So they'll pay you, doesn't make sense. It's a pickup fee. Okay. The pickup fee is $2.30. Should be a plus, by the way. I made a mistake somewhere. Maybe you guys can find it. The fee is, fee is $2.30. They pay you $2.30 to pick it up. That doesn't make sense, guys. Let's see who writes this down. Maybe I gave you wrong numbers. I think I caught it out from the book, though. They tend to be wrong, too. Write the equation of line given information slope-intercept form. So again, you do y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1, okay? And then you find slope first. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So you find your slope. It's 4 minus 1, those are your y's, and 2 minus a negative 4, add. So you get 3 over 6, or a half. So we use a half x minus x sub 1 is negative 4. So that's a plus 4, right? Equals to y minus y sub 1 is 1. Distribute. 1/2 times 4 is 2. Y minus 1, add 1, add 1. Y equals to 1/2 x plus 3. Okay, they want write an equation in slope-intercept form. That's it. They don't want you to do anything else. That is the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, well, they give you slope here already. This is easy. And this is a point. That's x sub 1, y sub 1, okay? Now y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. So y minus y sub 1, which is negative 1. Slope is negative 1. X minus x sub 1 is 2, right? Distribute. So y, that's a plus 1 equals to negative 1. Positive 2, make sure you don't forget the x like I just did there. Minus 1, minus 1. So you get y equals to negative 1x, or just negative x, right? 1 is invisible. Negative x plus 1. So there you go. And you guys can do the rest here, I hope. I don't need to do all of it. I hope not. Let's just let you do it because it's going to take me. And then we graph these back here in class. So make sure you know how to graph those. If you don't, redo them. And then we did this in class. And here's the table. You get, okay, you fill it out. And then use a calculator for this to find whatever the cost is for this company and whatever the cost is for this company. Okay, I hope that helps. Finish the rest.